Hello everyone, this is video number 14 and in this video I will cover all the questions of exercise 3.4. The second question is form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by elimination method. So first part is if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduced to 1 and it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So what is the fraction? So we start from here. What is the fraction? So let fraction be x upon y. Now first condition, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, then this fraction reduced to 1. So by cross multiplication, x plus 1 as it is, y minus 1 into 1, it means only y minus 1. Now variables transferring to left side and constant transferring to right side. So y, this is y transferring to left side, so it will be minus y, and plus 1 transferring to right side, it will be minus 1, and this minus 1 as it is. Minus 1 and minus 1, that is minus 2, and give equation number 1. Now second condition, it becomes only 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. So our fraction is x upon y, and if we add 1 to its in denominator, then it becomes 1 by 2. Once again, by cross multiplication, this is 2x and that is y plus 1. Y transferring to left side, so 2x minus y is equal to 1, and give equation number 2. Observe equation number 1 and 2. Here equation number 1, x minus y is equal to minus 2, and second equation 2x minus y equal to 1, equation number 2. Here coefficient of y which are equal, here minus 1, here also minus 1. So here we eliminate variable y. So by 1 minus 2, first write equation number 1, x minus y equal to minus 2, and second equation 2x minus y equal to 1. Since coefficient of y both are equal and their sign also same, though both are negative, so subtract this two equation. Change the sign of second equation. This is plus 2x, so it will be minus 2x. This is minus y, so it will be plus y, and this is plus 1, so it will be minus 1. So either plus y and this is minus y, both are cancelled out. Minus 2x and plus x, it means only minus x, and here minus 2 and minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 2 minus cancel out, so x is equal to only 3. Now put this value in equation number 1. So our equation number 1 is x minus y, which is equal to minus 2. In place of x, write 3. So 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. This 3 transfer into right side, so it will be negative. So only minus y is equal to minus 2 and minus 3, it will be minus 5. Now minus sign cancel out, so y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Hence fraction is 3 upon 5. X is numerator and y is denominator. So 3 upon 5. This is the answer. Now second part of second question. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu, and 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So let percentage of Noori be x years and percentage of Sonu be y years. So first condition, 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Noori's age was x minus 5 and Sonu's age was y minus 5. Now according to the question, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So this is Noori and this is Sonu. So Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So this is Noori and this is Sonu. So Noori was thrice means 3 times of Sonu. Now open this bracket. So it will be 3y minus 15. All the variables transferring to left side. So 3y transferring to left side and this constant transferring to right side. So x minus 3y, minus 15 as it is, and minus 5 transferred to right side, it will be positive. So minus 15 plus 5, that is minus 10, equation number 1. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Now second condition, 10 years later. 10 years later, Noori's age will be x plus 10 and Sonu's age will be y plus 10 year. Now what is the condition? Let's once again read the question. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So let's see, this is Noori and this is Sonu. So Noori will be twice means 2 times. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So Sonu multiplied by this 2. So it will be 2y and this is 20. 2y transferred to left side, so x minus 2y. This is 20 and 10 transferred to right side, it will be minus 10. So 20 minus 10, it means only 10. So second equation is x minus 2y is equal to 10. Once again observe equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1, x minus 3y equal to minus 10, and the second equation, x minus 2y equal to 10. Here coefficient of x both are equal. So subtract, and both are, and sign also same, so subtract this two equation by 1 minus 2. So first write equation number 1, x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. After that second, x minus 2y is equal to 10. Now on subtracting, change the sign of second equation. This is minus, so it will be plus, and this is minus. So plus x and minus x cancel out. Now this is plus 2y and this is minus 3y. So their difference is only minus 1 and the minus 3, which is a big number, so it will be only minus 1y. Now minus 10 and minus 10, which is minus 20, minus sign cancel out, so y is equal to only 20. Now put this value in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. In place of y, write 20. So x minus 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10, or 3 into 20 it means 60, and minus 60 transferred to right side. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 60, it means 50. So percentage of Noori is 50 year and percentage of Sonu is 20 year. This is question number 3rd. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times of this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of its digit. Find the number. Once again read the question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number, since it is a 2-digit number, so there is a tens place and ones place. So let tens digit be x and ones digit be y. Then 2-digit number will be 10x plus y. How can it possible? Let's see here. For example, there is a 2-digit number 47. Here 4, which is tens digit, and 7, which is ones digit. Tens digit suppose x and ones digit, that is y. In place of 47 we can write 40 plus 7, or 40, in place of 40 we will write 10 into 4 plus 7. Now 10 and this is 4, this is tens place or tens digit, so it will be x. So tens digit multiplied by 10 plus ones digit, that is y, which is as it is, or into 1. So if there are a 2-digit number, then we will write 10x plus y, where x is a tens place and y is ones place. Sorry, x is a tens digit and y is ones digit. So our number will be 10x plus y. Now, first condition, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So first condition is x plus y, which is equal to 9. Now second condition, also the 9 times of this number it means 10x plus y, 9 times of this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of its digit. It means we interchange x and y. So 9 times of this number, this is the 9 times of this number, which is twice the number obtained by the reversing the order of its digit. It means 10y plus x. We interchange the number x and y. This is 10x plus y. Now this is 10y plus x. We interchange the number. So 9 times of this number, which is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order of its digit. Okay, open the bracket. So 9 into 10, that is 90x, it will be only 9y. Then right side, 2 into 10y, it means 20y, and this is 2x. Now all the variable transfer into left side, so 20y and 2x transfer into left side, so it will be minus 20y and minus 2x. 90 minus 2x, it means 80x, and 20 minus 9, it means minus 11y equal to 0. Here 11 is common, so divided by 11, so only 8x minus 1y equal to 0. Since 11 which is not equal to 0, so this bracket equal to 0, it means only 8x minus y equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now observe these two equations. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here coefficient of y which is 1 and here coefficient of y which is minus 1. They are numerically equal but their sign is opposite. Since coefficient of y is numerically equal and the sign, this is plus y and this is minus y. So here we add these two equations by adding 1 and 2. So first equation x plus y, that is 9, and second equation 8x minus y equal to 0. On addition, write plus sign here. Plus y and minus y cancel out. 8x plus 1x, that is 9x. 9 plus 0, that is 9. Or x is equal to 9 by 9, it means x is equal to 1. Now put this value in equation number 1. So from equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 9. In place of x, write 1. So 1 plus y equal to 9, or 1 transfer into right side. So y is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8. But our question, find the number. Find the number, and number will be 10x plus y. So since number is 10x plus y, here x which is 1 and y, that is 8. So 10 into 1, it means 10, and 10 plus 8, that is 18. So our number is 18. Now next question, question number 4th. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So let number of rupees 50 notes be x and number of rupees 100 notes be y. Then first condition, she got total 25 notes, so x plus y, which is 25, and give equation number 1. Second condition, since she withdraw rupees 2000 and here number of notes of 50 which is x and number of 100 note which is only y. So 50 into x plus 100 into y, 50 into x plus 100 into y, and total money which is 2000, because here x is the number of notes. So 50 into x plus y, which is the number of notes of 100, so 100 into y, and total amount which is 2000. Here 50 is common, so divided by 50, it is only x, and it is only 2 times, so 2y. Now 50 transfer into right side, so x plus 2y, which is equal to 2000 upon 50. 1 0 cancel out, and 5 4s are 20, so it will be only 40. So our second equation is x plus 2y equal to 40. Once again observe these two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So in equation number 1 and equation number 2, coefficient of x are equal and both are positive or both are same sign. If both are equal and same sign, then we have to subtract. So by 1 minus 2. So one thing we note that if both are same sign means both are positive or both are negative, then we have to subtract here. And if both are opposite sign, suppose this is plus x and this is minus x, then in that condition we have to add these two equations. So here we subtract these two equations. So first equation, which is x plus y, that equal to 25, and second equation x plus 2y, which is 40. Since we have to subtract one equation number second from one, so change the sign. Minus, this is minus and that is also minus. So plus x and minus x cancel out. Here this is minus 2y and this is plus y. So their difference is only minus 1y. 40 minus 25, that is minus 15. Minus sign cancel out, so y is equal to only 15. Now put this value in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 25. In place of y, write 15 and 15 transfer into right side. So x is equal to 25 minus 15, or x is equal to 10. So number of rupees 50 notes, which is 10, and number of rupees 100 note, which is 15. Now last question. The last question is, a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, and while Susi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and charge for each extra day. So we will start from this line. Find the fixed charge. So let fixed charge be x and charge for each extra day, which is y. So let fixed charge be rupees x and the fixed charge, which is for first 3 days, and charge for each extra day, that is rupees y. Now first condition, Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. Since Sarita paid rupees 27 for 7 days, so there is a fixed charge, that is x, plus this is a fixed charge for first 3 days. So remaining days, so 7 minus 3, it means only 4 day, and the per day extra charge, which is rupees y. So 7 minus 3, that is 4 into y, and the total amount she paid 27. So equation is x plus 4y, which is 27, equation number 1. While Sasi paid rupees 21 for 5 days. So this is the x, which is fixed charge, and after that fixed charge for first 3 days. So remaining day, it means 5 minus 3, that is only 2 day. There the charge for extra days rupees y, so 2 into y, that is 21. So x plus 2y, which is 21. Equation number 2. By 1 minus 2. First equation, once again observe. Here coefficient of x which are equal. So by 1 minus 2, and their sign also same. So first write equation number 1 and this is equation number 2 and subtract these two equations. So change the sign. X cancel out. 4y and this is minus 2y, so only plus 2y remaining. 27 minus 21, that is only 6. So y is equal to 6 by 2, that is only 3. Now put this value in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is x plus 4y, that is 27. In place of y, write 3. So 4 into 3, 12, and 12 transfer into right side. So x is equal to 27 minus 12, that is 15. Hence the fixed charge is rupees 15 and charge for each extra day, which is rupees 3. This is the end of exercise 3.4. Okay, thank you guys.